Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Kelly.
Holy. Hey, that was actually probably the best runs I've done all weekend.
That was sweet, dude.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Holy cow. I don't know, you know what's ironic? I think I felt more car sick from my mom's driving than that.
Oh, you feel car sick?
No. It's one of those things where it's like, if you're not driving, you feel nervous.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use an Initial D reference here. It's like Takumi in the back seat.
Yeah, I got you.
It's like, oh, I don't feel so good, but when he's driving, it's just,
Yeah. Right.
he's just like, yeah, chilling like a boss, I'm fine. But like, it also doesn't help that sometimes I'm like sitting in the back seat of the van.
Alright.
Yeah. Be like a family car trip or something, I'm in the back seat and I'm like,
But that felt nice and smooth?
Yeah, that was nice.
Good.
I mean, I was getting bounced around, but I didn't feel like, I was like,
Nice one, man.
I think if I tried drifting, I think I'll start with getting like a Logitech G29 or something.
I agree with that.
But then
it costs a lot less, and you can practice a lot more than you can. Yeah, I did.
Oh, that's not good.
I did about maybe 100 laps yesterday.
Sweet.
And I was destroyed, like physically. Oh man. In the heat too, obviously.
Oh yeah, I saw you. You were freaking drip sweating like
you can do 100 laps in a Assetto with like zero effort.
Yeah.